Good day everyone, I am Sebastian Santamaria and today I will create a simple notepad using GUI in Java. So first we will create a Java application with Java and as you can see of what I've input already, since I already did this, I'm basically just giving you the workflow of what I've created. So for us to have a like UI or user interface, we need to add a JFrame. So in order to create a JFrame, you need to go to this, you need to add new and click the JFrame. So as you can see, you need to go to design and there you can see that you'll have your panel, and beside those you can see the palettes. So on those palettes you should be able to see a menu bar, and you need to put it above the panel. By panel I mean the box thingy. Okay, and after that you have those two items on the menu bar. You have the file and edit. So in order for those to have what do you call this, sections, that's what I like to call it, we're gonna go to the palette again and find the menu items. For the file, you need to click the file first, then you need to proceed put the menu item. We're gonna add 4 menu items for the file section, which will serve as for the first menu item, new, then open, save, and exit. And for the edit part, for the edit section I mean, we will put there the cut, copy, and paste. Yes, so after those you can now proceed to the search bar and button as well as the text area. So for the search button you need to click the button as seen as in the palette and rename it into search. And for the search bar or search area, you're gonna go to the text field and clear the text. So as then we can then proceed to the text area, and which means or which will serve as where you're gonna put your texts in your notepad. Yes, and then it should be below the search button and the search bar. And for that we also, and before we're gonna proceed to code for it to function, we need to go for the most important part. We need to rename those menu items. For the let's say for the file section, we need to add the new, open, save, and exit. And for the edit section, we need to add the cut, copy, and the paste, as you can see. And then for the button, as what is shown in the video, you need to rename what do you call this, edit the name as search. And as I've already said earlier, for the search area, which should be beside the search button, you just need to clear that out. And for the text area, below, you don't need to change anything, just the variable name. And here the variable names should also be changed one by one. First, for the file, you need to go to the cut menu item, and you need to change its variable name. You can proceed to copy on what I've inputted on the video for, to make your life easier. And yeah, just watch on how I change the variable names in the video.
Yours, paper planes and porcelain, smell of rain through the window pane, and the sight of you. Oh, you were a good dream. I was scared to lose you then, but secrets turned into Was there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Was it the wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more to the ones we had before? Tangled with another's eyes, never mind, you were never mine. Glimpse of me and you. Oh, you were a good dream. Smoke and ashes from these letters of mine. Fairy tale ending, there was no beginning. Is it even worth it to reminisce how you crave for a love that did not even exist? Was there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Was it the wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more to the ones we had before?
Okay, so just to avoid, so you might think that why do we need to change variable names? This is basically to avoid confusion in which function is which, since as you can see, if we don't change the menu item variable name, it should be inputted there, menu item 1, menu item 2, something like that, and then it will cause confusion since all the variable names are the same. And if you put a certain code there that is different from the other menu item code, it will cause a very big confusion since you don't know which function is which. And yes, that's basically it. It's very, what do you call this, very confusing. So for that, we need to put a variable name, and each variable name, each variable name, you need to put a certain code for each items. And for this, And for the menu section, as you can see, first we have the new, and you just need to double click that, and it will let you proceed to the source, which you can see, which you can input the code. And then for this video, you can just proceed to what do you call this, copy on what I've inputted for each sections. Oh, and before I forgot, as you've seen in the first project, we have the like whole code. So yeah, for that to function, we need to copy we need to copy the source, like you can see the text editor in there, and you need to basically copy the text into the JFrame source. Just put it in the very very top for that certain function on the first project to work, because without it will not work and it will just show us an error. Okay, so as you can see, just to what do you call this, just to give you a heads up, this is on version 7. I use 17th version for this and not the latest.
Was it too bold of me to assume you will catch me? Was it just an illusion? Say the word, I'll drive in reverse. I will spend a lifetime waiting for you. Glimpse of me and you. Oh, you were a good dream. Is there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Was it the wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more? I'd spend a lifetime waiting in vain just to go back to the way we were before. Was it the wrong time? What if we tried giving in a little more to the warmth we had before? Is there a lifetime waiting for us? All this time I have been yours.
Di ako masamang tao, pumapatay lang ako